S.
The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho,
T.
the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child.
U.
The wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child
V.
takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
W.
The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse
X.
takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog
C.
takes the cat. The dog
Let's
takes
go
the
coloring.
cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog
S for
takes the
saw.
cat. The cat takes the mouse.
S for snake.
The mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat
S is for
takes the
snacks,
mouse.
but don't eat too much. T for tree.
The mouse
T
takes
for
the
train.
cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho,
T is
the
for toes.
dairy-o,
They
the
tickle
mouse
when you
takes the
touch.
cheese. The cheese
U for
stands
umbrella.
alone. The cheese stands alone.
U for unicorn.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands
U is for
alone.
uncle. He's thin as a
Hi-ho, the
bean.
dairy-o, the cheese
V for
stands
vacuum.
alone.
V for violin. V is for vacuum. That keeps the house clean. W for whale. W for watch. W's for wishes, you make every day. X axe. X fox. X is for xylophone, play it today. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht. Y is for you, now you know how it goes. C for zebra. C for zebra. C is for zipper, open and closed. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.